Good day everyone, I'm Hugh. In this video, I'll be showing you this Malaysia 2017 the installation of yang di-Pertuan Agong RM150 silver coin. Normally among the collector, we just call it the Agong coin since the title is so long. Now, if the coin is not graded, it's normally come in this dark leather-like box. And here should have the Bank Negara Malaysia logo. And it should, inside the box should contain a certificate of authenticity and a yellow piece of this paper that talking about the history of the Agong. Actually, I think I'll go with this one first. So this piece of paper is talking about the history of the Agong. I'll leave it like this for a while if you want to read. If you need more time, you just need to pause the video. The other side is the English version. Again, if you need more time, you just need to pause the video. Let's take a look at the certificate of authenticity. Here I have the governor signature. Here talking about the technical specification of the coin. This coin is a proof light color silver coin, and the type of silver used for the coin is 99.9 silver. Diameter is 50 mm. Thickness, the weight is 92 gram. Thickness is 4.77 mm. This is issued on 14 December 2017. And the authorized mintage for this single silver is 500 pieces. This is how the coin look like. However, do take note that mine is already, this one is slightly oxidized, so it's not that great lah, the surface. When on the light, there's some oxidation, so it doesn't have the proof. It's not so great lah, the surface. Because this coin have a face value of 150 ringgit, which is kind of rare to see a silver coin with that big face value. And it's 3 times bigger than usual, so it's quite nice to hold in your hand. This is 3 ounces of silver. I'm gonna off the light. At least this part is still, this side, the proof coin is still, the proof surface is still nice. Done looking, you just pull it back here. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.